So ladies and gentlemen, my name is Obhijit Mondal and today I would like to talk about very important things in our life. Comfort kills our dreams. That is the topic, and we all want to success in our life, but we love comfortable things. We do comfortable things. We love the routine. We love the comfortable things. But if I wanted to success in our life, I have to do uncomfortable things in my life, whatever the situation is. So my friends, it's all about uncomfortable things. Like now I am talking with you and in front of camera. It's a most uncomfortable thing for me, but still I am trying it. So that's the message. You have to do uncomfortable things anytime. You do uncomfortable things all time. Whenever you do uncomfortable things, you much better than your previous version.
Okay. So your message is so clear. So your message is that we are uncomfortable at all situations,
Yes.
but we have to accept that.
Yes.
You know. So the students who would say, "Sir, give me some time to become ready," I think he is wrong.
Yes.
There is no time to become ready. You have to start, and one day you will become ready. Okay. So what is your last message that you want to give to your classmates or the fellow students or your audience?
I see a lot of people and a lot of students. I'm also nervous and I'm not a perfect, but still I'm talking with everyone and in front of camera. So the message is, forget about people, forget about camera, and forget about everything.
Yes.
You just stand in that stage and speak in front of camera, in front of people. That's the thing, that's the uncomfortable thing for everyone, but whenever you did this, you much better than the previous person. So that is the thing you should do, you have to do.
Good evening, everyone. Today, my topic is watch. Yeah. We all see that it's a watch we all use for checking time. But it's not only for checking time. It's a reminder that timer never stop. Timer never stop. Clock, every tick sound in clock, every sound of TikTok remind us time are always keep going. Yes, we all have many dreams, but we not stand up with our comfort zone. We lay down and sit and always dream. But our time never stop. Our time keep going. But we all sit and thinking about our dream, not doing anything. To watch remind us time are never stop. So stand up your seat and do for your dream. If you not doing for your dream, you never achieve your dream, because timer never stop. Every second, you think a second, a minute, we watch videos and scroll Instagram. What's the matter? Yeah, it's not affect our dream, our career. But 1 second. One second and 1 second together build a minute. Many minutes build an hour, and very hour build a day. Yes. That's why your single step now start doing your single today your single step. Tomorrow you build a successful future and build a successful career. Yeah. That's why, friends, I want to tell you that no dreaming. Dream is good, but not sit your comfort zone and only not dreaming. Do something for your dream.
Yes. Okay, that's all.